Now, let me show you how you can rename tabs on your MacBook. So most likely you are referring to the Internet Safari tabs, because as you can see, I'm having in here a couple of them, and that's nice, but they usually take up the name of the actual website where you know which one you have open. But you can always right click on the tab and click on move to a tab group, and you can create a new tab group, which you can essentially name however you want. So that's where the customization begins. So I don't know, we're gonna name it work just for the sake of this video. And now you can see that work contains Google as well as something else, for example. So, and if you ever want to rename the tabs, you can always click on the three dots button next to work, and you can click on a rename, so you can change the name of the actual tab group. So that's very useful. And of course you can open up a new one. As you can see, it showed below, and I don't know, you can look up anything else. You can go to the Google Drive if you would want it to, and so on. So that's how you can switch between them, and you can have a couple of different things in here. You have Google Drive, you have Google in general, and then that's the work, which you can always right click on and rename. So that's what I wanted to explain. Let me know if that is in fact the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up on the video, but don't forget to subscribe as well, and I'll see you later.